Good morning, guys. What's going on? It is the 21st of October. We're going to look at Aerodrome Finance and the US dollar pair here on tradingview.com. And this is the data from Coinbase. We'll drop over to CoinMarketCap. Maybe we'll take a look at Bitcoin as well. So we had 3 days here of an up market, which is great for the bulls. Looks like we had a range roughly of about 16% to the upside. We are finding some resistance here at the 200-day moving average, which is this red line here on the screen. You can see the 19th, 20th, and so far today, the 21st, have all bumped their head there. The wicks on the candles are resisting at the 200-day moving average. So that is a level we have to see overtaken here sooner rather than later. Something else I'm looking at here on the charts that I'm seeing is we have a lower high, we have a lower low, we have another lower high on the 20th of October, yesterday, Monday. We want to keep an eye on that. We want to see this market. Now, this market can pull all the way back down to essentially the lows over here from the 17th of October, which was Friday. Anywhere within this range here, this market could print a higher low. So this pull, we have this rally here, this 15 plus percent. It's actually more than that rally. Somewhere in here, you want to see this market stop, print a higher low, and then however the markets work, this leg down here usually gets investors and people get bearish again. And then the market actually flips and it can lead to a very, very big bullish leg, higher prices to the upside. So that's what I'd be looking for here. Again, I don't hold Aerodrome, but what I want to see here as making videos here for people that watch them on YouTube, I want to see this market stop somewhere within here, print a higher low, and then heads up. If everything aligns, this could lead to a very, very large breakout to the upside. That's what I would be looking for, and that's what I'll be watching here in the days ahead. Now, again, this thing could just turn here. Maybe we have one down day today, and then maybe we get a nice green day tomorrow, and we start to rally. We take out the highs from Monday, and then we put in a higher high. And again, that could play out as well. If something more like that plays out, we want to watch our highs over here from the 13th of October. That's going to be a level of resistance. So you want to see that broken, and the sooner that breaks, it's going to take us up there closer to the 50-day moving average, which is up there at $1.07, right up here. And that is that. If we take out the lows here from the 17th, that would not be good, guys. That would probably tell us that we're heading down there to the 65-cent range, give or take. We had some support in the 7th and 8th of July around that range. 66 was the lows there. And that's that. That's just about all we got to talk about here for Aerodrome Finance. Couple different scenarios. Either going to pull back, print the higher low. We're going to just rally from here. Then we're going to watch our highs from the 13th, or markets are going to tumble and we're going to take out our lows from the 17th. Hoping that doesn't happen for all you guys. Bitcoin is a little bit more bearish at the moment. It could find support here. That would be very good for the market. But off to a pretty rough start here. Again, we want to watch our lows from the 17th. Taking them out would not be good, at least for the bulls. Bitcoin dominance, let's see where that's going on there. Bitcoin dominance is still kind of wedging higher here. Usually these play out to the downside, which would lead to some kind of an altcoin season, or at least the alts rallying. Coin market cap, guys, fear and greed's at a 33. So there's a decent amount of fear in the market still. And the altcoin season index is very low at a 27. So that's that. We'll see. Hopefully more exciting times to come here in the future. But we just got to watch, though, because if this market's not going to put in a higher low, the next leg down could be ugly and could be quick. We shall see. We shall see. You guys have a great day. Thanks for watching. If you're not yet a subscriber, join us here on the channel. Of course, not financial advice. We have a great rally taking place over in the stock market again. We'll see if it makes new highs or if it tumbles before it does so. You guys have a great day.